everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in order to help you stay on track and more organized during virtual learning, I'm going to walk you through how to make a personalized schedule. So this is personalized in that you can add or take away whatever you want. I just have a few things on my to-do list that I think you guys could be applicable to you guys. So I have math, science, geography, English, and then the last one is go outside. So first, let's say I want to wake up at 9 a.m. So I put in 9 a.m. and wake up and do morning routine. So that could be brush your teeth, stretch, eat breakfast, do all that good stuff. And then from 10 to 10:30, I want to do math. After I finish with math, I take a 5-minute break, which I have scheduled. It's good for you guys to be taking breaks because you don't want to be sitting for long periods of time and don't want to be looking at the screen for too long. So then after that, I do English from 10:35 to 11:15, and then from 11:15 to 12, I have lunch. You might think it's weird that I'm scheduling lunch, but it's very important that you guys remember to eat because sometimes I can get carried away with my work and not want to eat, but it's important that we get fed. And then after lunch, I'm going to work on geography homework for 30 minutes and then take another break, 5 minutes again. And then after that 5-minute break, I am going to do science until 1 o'clock. And then, yay, I'm done with most everything on my to-do list. So I think I deserve a nice 1-hour break. During this time, I would read, or probably in your case, play video games, watch TikToks. I don't know, watch TikToks, I'll put that on there. Yeah, and then after that, I schedule a time to go outside. It's very important that we are getting fresh air and vitamin D. So yeah, go outside and have some fun. Thank you for watching this video.